Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
This is John Abraham, one of the greatest R&B artists, Neo, will be performing in Shillong on the 18th of November at the Cherry Blossom Festival. Talented artists performing there like Sanam, Hybrid Theory, Jonas Blue, and you know what? One of my favorites, Ronan Keating. So go, book your tickets.
Kajila Megalaya, Kadega Jala Bakring Bahaya Nangwan Jungo Kai Pertai Nakalengi Jaka Jungari India, but Kumjuru Yaki Banabar Gari. Mentaga Ganti Gabalong Kasin Kabanungkong Kari Japan, Kalawan Ban Pelong Yaga Tamasa Hangni Hapo Nong Ba Shillong. Yagane Katamasa Balai Sngi Balasdang Mentaga Sngi, Kakanyu Tarik Unai Wing Arajar Arpulai. Yagabala Jer Kertenga Northeast Japan Caravan 2023. La Pelong Yagane Tamasa Daga Japan Embassy but ke Japan Foundation New Delhi, Harangkat ke Jingetrelang but ke Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Kaneka Caravan 2023 La Pelong Hau Sosotam Auditorium. Yagabala play pait ba daga Menteri Sorkar badai pait yakatanat ke koit ke kia ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lengdo, lembat u Hiroshi Suzuki, u Ambassador ke Japan sya India, haga Jingdon Lang u Menteri Sorkar, uba Alexander Laluhek, u Commissioner and Secretary katanat Lariti uba Frederick Roy Karkongor bat kiwei.
I am so glad as Ambassador of Japan to be able to organize this Japanese cultural event on the occasion of Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. So from today onwards, for 3 days in a row, this place will be filled with Japanese culture. So today, we have martial arts, we have judo, karate, and we have great performances. And maybe you can experience a little bit of judo and karate if you want. Now tomorrow we have cosplay, and we have yukata tryout, maybe calligraphy tryout, even some Japanese lessons. And for 3 days in a row, we're going to have anime films, 4 anime films in 3 days. And what's more, we have Pikachu character. And also I think we have Hatsune Miku also. So please feel free to hold this Pikachu and take a picture so that you can enjoy Japanese culture that much more. So for those of you who come to enjoy Japanese culture for the first time, please think that this is only the beginning. For some of you who already know Japanese culture, please think that this will be a great occasion to enhance your understanding of Japanese culture more deeply. But for all of you, if you want to know more about Japanese culture, please visit Japanese Embassy's website. We have SNS, X, Instagram, so please reach out. There are so many cultural items on the internet. So without further ado, please do enjoy Japanese culture today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. So in closing, I would like to thank ICCR and Japan Foundation and everybody who worked so tirelessly to bring this great Japanese cultural festival in Shillong. So, Kuburei Shibun Mitira.
To share some of your anime films, to share some of your calligraphy, your origami, These are all art forms which are not unknown to the people at large in the world. And you will be surprised, I reiterate, about the feeling of closeness that the people of our state will have with people of your country. It is also coincidental that you are here during the Cherry Blossom Festival. This is a festival season for the state of Meghalaya, and believe it or not, seeing and being a part of this rain is part of the deal. Coming to Shillong means coming to see the rain, coming to meet the clouds, coming to see the wetness around us, and enjoying the full bloom of the cherry blossom at this point of time. The ICCAR, particularly under the leadership of Munish Singh himself, has played very great role in ensuring that the state of Meghalaya is not only portrayed outside to India and the world, but particularly he is one person who has been able to connect all of us together regionally, nationally, and we see a new feather in your cap, Mr. Munish, and that is bringing Japan to the city of Shillong. Very, very happy that you have done that, and on behalf of the Department of Art and Culture and the Honourable Minister who's not here, and on behalf of all of us in the Cabinet, we thank the ICCR for its commendable efforts all the time. I wish that the Japan Caravan Festival will take off positively, and I wish that the people of the state of Meghalaya, particularly Shillongites, will spend some time and come and learn a few words and know a few things about the Japanese culture.
The tradition.
Is preparing green tea, matcha tea. You eat these sweets. Okay.
So it's not now, but no, she's at the
Traditionally, she will start.
So it's,
Oh, it's bitter.
better to have matcha tea.
All right.
Japanese.
Tell us the timing.
Yeah, sweet.
Tell us
Yeah,
Follow you,
yeah,
just
I will
follow
say.
you.
We'll bring more chair. Bring.
This tea ceremony was established about 400-500 years ago. There was a grand tea master by the name of Shillong. So around that time, Japan was a great civil war. We had so many wars. Please enjoy the sweets.
So Frederick, you will share with me, and so will share with you. Come.
Please.
Powder.
It's like all sugar.
Yeah, it's sugar, yeah. Then it's not.
Yeah, feel better.
Yes.
It's a medicinal value.
Yes. Ini tu lah siang chocolate.
Too much sweet this one, but I'll take it.
I'm going to make more bitter matcha. But
Look. Shang ni,
You know, they do it the hard way. We just put it in the gas and put the tea leaves and strain it. It's quite nice though.
There's a ceremony involved.
One, two, only two.
To type. Done like this, no? Twice. Yes, twice.
I did 3 times.
It's okay. Twice or 3 times.
3.
Yes, yes.
I follow you. I can drink now?
Yes.
It might be a little hot.
Yeah.
Abang?
Yeah, good.
It's bitter.
For politician, there's no bitterness.
We face bitterness in our lives.
Maybe hot. Please be careful.
That's why it's bitter for you.
Am I expected to have all of this? All I will bring alone?
Yes.
Or I can share the same bowl.
But
I
if
can
it's-
finish this?
You can finish this. But if it's too much,
No.
feel free to.
You cannot finish, I'm here to finish.
No, you have your own Yes.
Try the green tea before.
Yes, we are regular green tea
But
drinkers.
it's a little different from you.
You have grounded it?
the whole costume you're wearing right now. Is it comfortable? How are you feeling? Because I'm sure for the next 2 days, in the coming days, a lot of us would like to, try it on. We'll be having that chance as well. Can you share your experience? like a big robe, so it's not very comfortable to wear. And it's quite convenient. And I never thought I would wear one of this. So thank you, ICCR, and thank you, Government of Japan. Thank you so much, ma'am.